Hello viewers, and welcome again in another video about our health. Today we'll talk about eructations, which is also known as burping or belching. As you may know that burping is a natural process of our digestive system, and having occasional burps is not a major concern and it is considered to be normal. But when it becomes too frequent, too loud, and too painful, it's a concern, and sometimes it is also a very embarrassing condition as well. So in this short video, we'll talk about some of its other possible causes and how certain natural or holistic remedies can help improve this condition. But please note that this educational video is to give you some basic information. It's not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any medical conditions. So speak to your doctor or health provider before you make any changes in your treatment plan. So burping normally happens because of trapped gas in your digestive tract, and one of the major causes for this issue is the eating wrong kind of foods that produce a lot of gas, especially pulses, various kind of grains, lentils, cabbage, cauliflower, even foods that contain a lot of fiber. Even fruits and vegetables can cause gas in your stomach as well. Also, people who drink a lot of beer and alcohol and smoke a lot, they can also have this problem. People who have got issues with their constipation, especially the chronic constipation, and sometimes it is our eating habits. Wrong type of eating habits can also cause a lot of gas trapped in our stomach, and one of the major causes is too fast eating. Some people, they are always in a rush, they are always very busy, so they eat while they're walking around. Also, some people they talk while they're eating as well, so this habit is very bad, and this can cause a lot of trapped gas in your stomach, and then you have difficulty in producing it as in form of flatulence or burping and belching as well. It could also be due to some sort of infections in your stomach like H. pylori or candida or yeast infection. People who tend to be more overweight or obese, or people with thyroid disorders, they get this problem quite a lot as well. In women, especially around their PMS, which is premenstrual syndrome, when their hormones are changing before their menses start, they experience a lot of bad breath, halitosis, and also a lot of burping and belching as well. It could also be due to certain food and non-food intolerances and sensitivities, especially if you're intolerant to lactose, I mean milk, or also celiac disease, or the gluten intolerance can also cause a lot of gases in your stomach. Certain other medical conditions like Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, IBS, IBD, irritable bowels, or even hernias in your stomach could also be one of the factors for having burping or belching a lot as well. Interestingly, I've observed in many patients that people who burp a lot or belch a lot, they have a desire or great cravings for sweets or sugary stuff. Also, these people take a lot of anxiety, especially a sort of anxiety which is called anticipatory anxiety. I mean, before they travel, before they attend an exam, or before they go for an interview, or even attending their doctor or GP, they've got a lot of various kind of stress or anxieties, and that special anxiety can also cause a lot of sugar craving. And these individuals or patients, they tend to burp and belch a lot as well. So these are some of the observations which we now be see in our daily patients practice and public as well. Now at the end, I'm going to suggest some herbal remedies, some home remedies which can be really helpful addressing this cause or this problem as well. So one of the things you can do before having your meals is to add some fresh aloe vera juice in some water and just take it before your meal. So this can help reduce the urge and frequency of burping. Another great home remedy could be intake of chamomile tea or peppermint tea. So either chamomile or peppermint tea can be taken on daily basis, 2 or 3 cups a day. Simply put some fresh chamomile or peppermint in some boiling water, let it steep for about 10-15 minutes, strain it, and just take that. If you don't like the taste, you can add some cinnamon to flavor, and also you should add any seeds or star seeds for additional benefits of digestion, because it has got a lot of carminative effects as well. So you can consider these home remedies, either chamomile tea, peppermint tea, aloe vera juice with the additional benefits of cinnamon, and also any seeds or star seeds, and they will give you a lot of relief from this problem, and you wouldn't need to take medicines on daily basis as well. Now at the end, I'm going to suggest some top 3 homeopathic remedies as well, because homeopathy is a very unique kind of approach in which we have to look at the causative factors, and also associated symptoms or modalities of the patients as well. So the top three homeopathic remedies that give a lot of results and improvement in our patients. The first one is called argentum nitricum. So ask the pharmacist to give you in 30 or 200 potency. And second medicine you will take along with argentum nitricum is called carboveg. Again, you should take it either in 30 or 200 potency. So simply ask your local pharmacist to prepare these two remedies as in pills, and take these sweet granules 2 or 3 times a day. So you will see that after taking these two remedies for a month, your tendency and urging for frequent birching and irritations is quite better, and it's reversed as well. Some patients also experience sour taste or sour vomiting or gurgitation of various kind of undigested foods, along with burping and belching as well. So for those individuals, if they add another medicine which is called calcarea carbonicum, again 30 or 200 with those medicines, they will get additional benefits as well. So we have to see the causative factors and then peculiar presentations of the patient's signs and symptoms, and if you take medication accordingly, that is called holistic approach, and you can reverse those medical conditions quite successfully as well. Now before I finish my this today's video, I'll give you a few tips as well. First of all, you need to change your lifestyle. I mean, take it easy while you're eating your foods. Leave everything behind, sit down and nicely and calmly just eat your meals, and don't watch TV, don't use mobile phones as well, don't talk while you're eating your meals as well. Also change your diet if they are the causative factors, so go for foods which are not too much gassy, producing kind of foods as well. And also if you need any further help or advice, speak to a local qualified herbalist, homeopath, or at least your GP before you make any changes again. And if you need my help, and if you need some more advice on this issue, you can always contact me. You take care, and I'll speak to you with another topic very soon. Take care. Bye bye.